Hi, I'm Billy from Arlon Graphics, and this is Michelle from Arlon Graphics, and we're here to talk to you about our DPF 4600 GLX. So Michelle, tell me a little bit about it.
Oh, this is one of Arlon's secret tools. We call it our Swiss Army knife here at
Yeah,
Arlon.
I know.
It's because it does so many things. Besides the fact that it's general signage, you can do partial wraps on vehicles, but this will even do floors and interior flat surfaces. This product really is a Swiss Army knife because it can do an array of things with the X-Scape technology that it has. That's what makes it easily accessible.
And our escape technology is a little different than our flight technology, right? That has it's more initial tack, right?
Yes,
it's a little
it
more
has
aggressive.
some built-in air channels that are easy release, bubble-free application with minimal experience needed to be able to install.
Honestly, this is one of my favorite products. I always say, when in doubt, go to 4600 GLX. Like, if you don't know where you want, like, what product to use for the application, I always say go there. Because it pairs with all of our different laminates and partial wraps. I mean, what a great way to, sell a wrap to a new customer.
It does. It has a medium-term durability, so it's more premium than your, let's say, sticker vinyl in the 510 series. But it does give you the durability that you need for the projects that you need to get done. And it also, like our other films, are compatible with latex, eco-solvent, solvent, and UV printers.
So yeah, and that just coincides with our print quality on all those printers, right? We still have the same white points. The colors are just amazing on this color.
It does. It has a great white point, and for the fact that it has so many applications, but I love that this does box trucks and trailers at an eco-conscious price, because it'll still allow you to get the job done and be very accurate, and it will still look beautiful.
Yeah, but the customer has to remember it is calendered.
We just have to make sure we set the expectations for the customer.
Right.
Yeah, so that way we kind of inform that over time that the rivets on box trucks, it may not set nicely like cast does. It might give you a little bubble here and there.
But for the one who wants to save money, it makes sense.
Most eco-conscious choice. Now, this is an outdoor general signage and indoor signage as well. So utility service vehicles, anything partial wraps, decals, real estate
trade
signage,
show booths,
flat
walls.
I mean, this is why you're seeing it's a Swiss Army knife here,
right? I mean, man.
And floors. So putting it on the floor and using their 3420 laminate.
The gloss.
The gloss is non-slip. And I can take that same laminate and use it on the wall. And with this product, and I can use it on the vehicles. It's such a multi-purpose product, and pairing it with that laminate really makes this the most Swiss Army knife.
You can also partner it with the 3170, which is our intermediate cast, right? That would be great for the box trucks. It might stay a little tighter around those rivets.
It will, and it will give it a little longer durability as well, because it is intermediate cast, the 3170.
If you have any questions about DPF 4600 GLX or any other Arlon products, visit LexJet.com/Arlon.